Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a great and a safe Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to share how I made this Advent Christmas calendar. It's a fun little DIY which you can do in no time, which even kids would love to do. So let's start creating. I'm starting by painting this circular wooden board with white acrylic paint. I got this from a nearby thrift store. You can also use a thick cork board too in place of a wooden board, or even a thick cardboard would work. Next, I hand painted these numbers from 1 to 25. You can use a stencil too in case you don't want to handwrite it, or you can simply paste the number stickers that you get from stores. I'm painting the eyes and smile of the snowman using some black acrylic color. By using a small sponge, I'm going to paint the cheeks pink. I'm cutting the shape of a hat that I drew on a black gloss foam sheet. I am also cutting a band like this from this red gloss paper, and I'm eventually going to paste this red band on the hat like this. Before I made the nose, I measured the length between the numbers and the point where the nose will go. For me, it was mostly 10.5 centimeters. Next, I am drawing a conical shape on a sheet of paper. To increase the thickness of the sheet, I have folded this paper so that I can get two exact shapes, and I am going to stick these two pieces together. I also made cuts like these to give it a pointier, carrot-like shape. I finished the nose by painting it a mix of red and orange. To fix the nose with the board, I am using a tiny screw like this. You can see that I have left some room for the nose point to move around. In case you are using a cork board or cardboard, then replace the screw with a board pin or push pin. Now the next part is totally optional. I couldn't find just one holy leaf from the store, so I'm making one myself, for which I just drew this pattern on a sheet, painted it green, and then covered it with some green glitter. For the berry, I'm using a leftover berry from an old wreath and recycling it by sticking it with the holy leaves. I ended up by assembling the hat and the holy leaf on the snowman and hung it using some scrap piece of ribbon. As you can see, this is a quick and easy DIY to make your own advent calendar. Try and make it on a wooden board or some kind of a stronger surface so that you can fix the nail or push pins for getting the nose part to move. Again, if you don't want to hand paint the numbers, get some number stickers from the market, or simply write them on a computer and stick the printout on the board. Let me know if you liked this short and sweet DIY. If you liked it, then please hit the like button, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications to get regular updates. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe and take care.